Alright, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the show. Dylan here from the Rideshare Hub, #1 channel on YouTube for Uber and Lyft drivers. I don't care what channel you're watching, nobody else posts 10 videos a day. Okay, we're committed here. Nobody messes with how many videos we post. We're doing videos nonstop. Today we're talking about an Uber driver. This was the worst story I've ever heard about an Uber driver who just got scammed, okay? This was trending on Reddit today on the Uber driver forum, and we're gonna read it together, okay? You don't wanna miss this video. Now, thumbs up the video, and also check out the first link in the description for Buckle. It is a new rideshare insurance company, a new car insurance company that's given Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers a really good deal right now. What's that deal? When you get a free quote, they're sending you a $20 Visa gift card. You could potentially be saving thousands of dollars. It's not an add-on. This is a replacement of your old auto insurance, and they're only for gig workers. So you can only sign up if you're a gig worker. Check the link below. Buckle. Thank you. Let's get started. So this Uber driver just posted this story. Listen up, my friends. He said, "So I picked up a woman, maybe mid or late 20s. I'm a woman too, 23 years old. And she seemed upset, but I left her be. Said my hi, how are you, and started the trip. Halfway through, she starts to ask me if I have kids and what amount of money would change my life. I said I don't have kids and don't have an amount that I'm just grateful for what comes my way. She says okay, and to stop at the nearest bank. She starts telling me she wants to help me out and blah, blah, blah. I told her I would be grateful for whatever she had in mind. And I told her I lost my job recently, literally this week, and had to start back up with Uber again. She asked me what I would do with the money. I said pay my bills. She said she's never done this before for anyone, but she wants to help me. She goes to the bank for 10 damn minutes, comes back. I take her to her house around the corner, and she just gets out of the car, says goodbye, and leaves? That was so evil to me. I'm struggling right now, and she got my hopes up for what? I don't know, it just about broke my heart. I thought something good was finally happening to me, but that was just so dark-sided." Now, obviously, the scam here is that the rider wanted the driver to wait for her while she was in the bank. She wasn't ever going to give that driver any money. She just wanted to go to the bank and didn't want to order a new Uber ride and made that driver wait. You know what the pay is for waiting? It's like 15 cents a minute or something ridiculous. It's not very much money. Waiting for 10 minutes, that driver could have done another ride and could have made $5 or $10, but instead she probably made about, I don't know, $1.50 for 10 minutes. So the first comment on this, which has 91 upvotes, says, "She lied to you in order to get you to wait at the bank for her. What a B word." Derek Hemies replies, "Damn, that was cold though. That's crazy how much afford people can put in lying sometimes. LOL. Like saying I will tip you later in the app is not working anymore." Yeah, when people say I'll tip you later in the app. Oh, if I had a nickel or dime for every time somebody told me that, I would be a very rich man. Hustle Queen 77 says, "This has happened to me twice. The first time ended up being a life-changing $5. Second time I was told he was giving me $100 in the app that I never received. Some people are just trash. Promises are almost always empty," says Vehicle Negative. "A person who wants to make you happy financially doesn't talk about it. They do it." That's true. "Unless the second one was a $50 trip, the rider couldn't have left you $100 anyways. I got a $125 from that, asked me to stop at a bank. Then he asked me if I can pick him up 2 days after, about 2-hour drive from where I live, and gave me $270 cash, all in California money. Got $500 for the boat." I don't know, that's a weird story. "That's so extra, LMFA." Yeah, you should not ever take cash rides, by the way. "That's so extra," unless you have a commercial license. "That's so extra, LMFAO, people are effing weird. I guess she was lying to get you to make the stop, but goddamn, can people just not be normal anymore?" Right, like she simply could have asked me and I still probably would have said yes, but a lie like that, you're going to hell. What a POS. Anymore, were they ever normal? But I'd be wrong if I called her up and cursed her out. OMG, what a B word. Go egg her effing house. She deserves it. JK, karma will get her back. Sorry that happened to you. Rule of thumb, people who actually want to help or wishes you only the best will never talk about it or show off. Always should keep this in mind. It works like a Swiss watch. Anyway, that's the video. So I don't know. I mean, there's no really way to look out for it. If somebody's lying, straight up lying to you, you can't really do anything. But this driver got scammed. What do you think about this story? I think it's very disheartening and very troubling, very frustrating, because, you know, this Uber driver just got laid off of her job. And I don't know, just a really sad situation. So that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts, and check out Buckle Insurance down below to take advantage of that offer right now that they're offering to rideshare and food delivery drivers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.